Hey, editors! Looking for a tutorial that teaches you how to make an AE like Dark CC in just 2 minutes? Well then this is your go-to tutorial. So without further ado, let's see the preview. Want this? Open InShot and get ready with your clips. Then click on Filter. Lightness -7. Contrast 25. And saturation -17. Then again, click on Filter. Lightness -50. Contrast 10. Saturation 12. Vignette 30. Click on Effect and select Black Flash. Then adjust the settings of the effect like I do. Export the video. Open VN Editor and select the video you just exported. Click on Filter and click on Adjust. Saturation 40. Vibrance 83. Temperature 30. Vignette 75. Then click on HSL and select the orange circle. Saturation -20. Hue -25. Select the green circle. Saturation -55. Hue -55. Lightness -17. Export the video and you're done. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. See you in the next tutorial.